So after my last grease fitting video blowing up, I wanted to do some more videos about basic maintenance. So I'm going to show you how to change the air filter and the cabin filter in your 2014 GMC Terrain. So you're going to start out removing these four screws with a 5/16 nut driver. The screws are loose. Once the screws are loose, it should pop right out. You can see all the dust and debris that would be in your engine, wearing out your engine. If you didn't change this, I usually change these filters around 30,000 miles. And you pop the new one out of the box. Some of these filters come in a plastic bag. You want to make sure to remove that bag before you install it. And this goes back to the matching up shapes game you had when you were a kid. The little angled side goes like that. Then you set your air cleaner box back down and run them 4 screws back in. And you want to be very gentle. Make sure you don't strip them holes out. So that's that. You've changed your air filter. So for $20, 5 minutes of your time, you installed this air filter. A shop would probably charge, I don't know, 15 minutes to install it. And at $100 an hour, that would be $25. I'm sorry, I had a brain fart. They would also mark up the part. So, yeah, you'd be in it probably 75 bucks or more. It's just a good way to save money. You know, you can do a little bit. Even if you're not like totally mechanically inclined, you can do a little yourself and save you some money. So don't be afraid to get out there and work on some of your vehicles. I mean, you know, you can't mess them up so much. You know, that's how I learned. I mean, and that's how most of the world learns, is from making mistakes. So, but this is simple. Get out there, put air filter in your car.